Types of condition-based maintenance. There are various types of condition-based monitoring techniques. Here are a few common examples. Vibration analysis. Rotating equipment such as compressors, pumps and motors all exhibit a certain degree of vibration. As they degrade, or fall out of alignment, the amount of vibration increases. Vibration sensors can be used to detect when this becomes excessive. Infrared, IR cameras can be used to detect high-temperature conditions in energized equipment. Ultrasonic, detection of deep subsurface defects such as boat hull corrosion. Acoustic, used to detect gas, liquid, or vacuum leaks. Oil analysis, measures the number and size of particles in a sample to determine asset wear. Electrical, motor current readings using clamp-on ammeters. Operational performance, sensors throughout a system measure pressure, temperature, flow, etc.